I recently saw a story on the internet how a woman says she was on OnlyFans for a few years, and then she bragged she was in the 0.1% of OnlyFans. So we can assume she was making $100K a month off this or more. And then she says she found a man who introduced her to God, and she gave it all up. Sounds like a good story, right? Sounds like somebody who wants to do good in the world after sinning. That's what it sounds like. Here's the truth. The whore was fucking broke. She went out there, sold her body, and then now that she has enough money, oh, I'm too good for this. That's all it is. This whore found and I've talked to these OnlyFans whores. They've made millions. And some of these are ugly women, and they still made millions. And then they start talking about how much good they've done with the money. They've helped this person and helped this person. Well, guess what? I know drug dealers who are selling fucking hard drugs who are helping these people and these people with the money. Start fucking abolish them of all their fucking sins? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. So, when it comes to these OnlyFans women who go out there and make millions, and then all of a sudden they're all, special. It's all garbage. It's absolutely all garbage. They're just in a better position. See, rich men, they don't get tested the same way. And rich women don't get tested the same way as poor people. See, a rich person doesn't need to do a whole bunch of bullshit. He already has money. Never trust these OnlyFans whores who turn to God. Because when they were broke and in the fucking gutters, they were selling tits and ass. And now that they got their millions, they're too good for this now because they found God. Nah, man. Once a whore, always a whore. Never forget that. Never forget that. Once a fucking whore, always a whore. And by the way, I'm way more far right than all these other people. I want to repeal fucking 19 right fucking now. Like, straight up repeal this shit. I seen what happens when women get political power. Look outside. Broken homes. And it's not a knock on women. It really isn't. The same reason I wouldn't give kids political power, why would I give women political power? What, are you going to give a fucking kid a gun and tell him, yo, keep the peace? What, are you out your fucking minds? Or the Indian parliament reserved 1/3 of all the seats for women. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, we're going to raise a society full of misogynists because that's the correct way to fucking live. Women have a role. That's why they call it a dishwasher. You understand? Not dishwash him, dishwash her. At the same time, men will do a terrible job raising kids from fucking 0 to fucking 12 or 13 years old. Men will do a horrible job by themselves. You need two. You need a partnership. But there's only one fucking chief in the goddamn fucking tribe. Only one. Within a few months, a dating app by GG33 will be released. I gotta tell you, I've outdone myself with this one. Regular people will have access to it. It'll cost you, but you'll have access. GG33, I'm gonna work something out where you guys can have access, but if any member of GG33 gives this out to the public, their access and GG33 membership is going to be revoked. I'm going to try to do a way where I don't have to charge people, but no one's giving this away. And to the rich folks out there, I got a special section for you. Listen, I've talked to so many people who've lost tens of millions, even hundreds of millions of dollars in divorces. I've heard it all. How about this? You guys just pay me, and I'll find you the right girl with numerology and astrology, and she will be everything you want. Unvaxxed and a low body count, and we will do straight up lie detector tests. We'll do the whole 9 yards. I already have women who are fucking dime pieces sending me pictures in their DMs and shit like that because they want a hold of these guys. I got access to them. That's the whole point. No one has access to the people I have access to, and no one has access to people I have access to who trust me the way they do. Yeah, baby. We're about to be big time next year. But we're going to release it this year. People wanted it last year. I'm like, nope, not doing it in a 7 year. 8 year? It'll be here by the summer. Lastly, big shout out to the number 7 and Ringmaster Ra. They prove every day why snakes are the most loyal. This has been a GG33 production.